T for typewriter. It's retro and cool, they say, typing poems on a typewriter. But it's seen better days, this machine with metal teeth, seeking to knacker my fingers with every key I punch down. Pressing down is the equivalent of a pelvic lunge across the floor. 1 nail down, 9 to go. I feel like a failed bodybuilder, developing only my fingular muscles. Is fingular a word? How singular. So precise is its imprecision. The letters make little recesses in my pale pink writing paper, like miniature fingerprints. Each stamp individual to the rest, each letter with its own personality. The I is far too egotistical, I fear, and the O lost to show its surprise. The K likes to kick out now and then, and the D seems to have a double. The F has seen better days, a shame as my battered fingers desire an F word. Phew, my retro mission is almost over, my too long letter almost complete. But no, an error in the penultimate line. Here comes my Tipex hero to the rescue. The lid was stuck, but it'll have to do. I'll resist a sniff for old time's sake, and stampede my fingers to the finish.